Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing really amazing and playing out with your AI things and everything. So, I just want to show you something cool that I have been working on recently. So, this is my recent n8n project, and it is one of my latest creation that helps me create content on autopilot, right? So, let me show you how it works. So, this is the Google Sheet trigger. So, every time I update a row with the text with start, just like this, it will create the workflow for me, and then it will create a content creation hook. All right, and then it will update the Google Sheet with the topic for the content, and then it will create a viral hook, right? And then it will update the sheet right here, and then it will go to the next agent and it will create the caption for the post, and then it will update, and then finally my status for this start will be called created. All right, so let me show you how it works and then you can take a look at it. All right, so if I execute the workflow, it works automatically, but I just wanted to show you how it works. So yeah, it goes to ChatGPT right now. Like, I'm using ChatGPT, the quicker model, but you can use a different model. You can change things around and make it your own, and you'll see everything is working. It's going here and there. Yes, working. And yep, things are done and my content is created within seconds, as you can see, right? So yeah, like, this is one of my creations that I have been working on. I have so many other things, but yeah, let me know if you have any questions and I would love to answer your question. Thank you.